Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 57 student barrier with laravel 12 DOM download PDF, and this is a tuition classes in laravel 12. This is www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service +919941599815. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is my project is available inside this my project, and this my project is already run, and this is a localhost PSP my admin. Let's run localhost PSP my admin. This is a localhost PSP. This is a localhost PSP my admin is a run. Please wait, this is a load data, and first of all this is the inside this CMD open successfully working fine. This CMD, this project directory inside this is a copy this command, copy and paste here and run. Please wait, this command is a installation, this step by step installation this command, and this is a localhost PSP my admin is the working successfully run, and this is a click this is a database name. Inside the student table is available. This is a student table. This click the student table, successfully show this student table, and this is a 1 to 4 record is available. 1 to 4, this is a 4 record is available inside this show. Good working. This is the installation. This is a command is an installation. Please wait. This file is open. This command is installed and this file is open. List file. Resource view super admin student, and this is the index list file is open. Inside this 2 button is already available. Next button is a implementation. The same name copy. Otherwise this button is a copy paste here, and this is a PDF file is a icon is a implementation. This PDF file icon. Let's refresh this page. This is a third implementation successfully. This is a PDF icon is not available. Let's PDF only save file and refresh this page. Not available PDF. Let's this remove and refresh this page, and not available PDF file. Save file and refresh this page. Last time this is available. Good. Show this is a PDF available. Primary key is implementation primary, and save file and refresh this page. Working fine this PDF, and this is a 100. Save file and refresh this page successfully. This is a page is available, but this is a lost of page is available. Let's refresh this page again. Save file and refresh this page. Not working. 200 and refresh successfully. 200 is a lost of, and refresh this page successfully. This is a PDF is a icon is a last icon is a set. Same name copy, and command check. This is a command is a installation, not a install. URL and paste here, and this is a PDF, and inside this is a dot, and this is a value already available. This is a value, same name, paste here and save file. Let's check. This is the installation is a, please wait, this is the installation. Good working. This is the one is available, so let's click this PDF. So successfully one is a show. Good working. This is one. Next is a 2 is a set. This is a click this 2, the 100% 2 is a show. Third is a same here third, so this is a third is available. Same name URL copy and web.php open route inside this web.php, and this is a student is available. Route get paste here, and this is the ID is a dynamic set. This is a student class pdf spdf. My student means spdf. Let's save name. Successfully file save. Let's copy this name and the student controller open. The student controller is available. App http. Let's my mouse power is gone. This is http controller and this is a student controller. This is a student controller. Please open this student. Okay, this student controller. Inside this new function is a create public function and paste here spdf. Request $request and $id. Successfully $id is a implementation. Inside this is a $id is a pass here. This is the id. Echo $id and die and save file. Let's refresh this page. 100% this is available 3 number. Good working. Let's click this is a 1 number is successfully 1 number. Let's check this installation. Please wait, this is a installation. Let's video is a stop and this is a installation and video again start. Successfully installation is a good. Please wait, this is a successfully installation good. 3.1 barrier laravel pdf. Let's close this and check this composer. This is successfully available. This is successfully installation is a pdf. Good working. This is available, but this is available. This is a click this back button and this is available student table and this student table. Same name, this student table is available table name and this is a model is available. Model inside this is a student model. This is a student model is available. Same inside this table is a create same name copy and inside this is already included. Let's copy and this is a remove, paste here, find $id. Successfully $id. Let's inside this is a include, use pdf. Only simple way is a use pdf is a set. Use pdf and replace this pdf is already include this include. Please same name copy. Inside this is a implementation this pdf. Let's $get record. $get record is equal to this paste here and inside this is the data is a pass here. Data $data is equal to this is a title is a implementation title is a student pdf. This is a student pdf. Next is a date. Today date is a created. This is a date dmy date and last is a $get record. Same name paste here $get record is equal to this is a paste here $get record. Save file. Let's $pdf is equal to pdf. This is a name is already include this same name copy pdf. Load view and this is a new pdf. Create pdf inside this student pdf and this is a $data pass here. This is a $data pass here. This $data inside this is a return $pdf download student. This is a student name is a student pdf. Same name copy and paste here and inside this is a remove .pdf and close this. Successfully student PDF. Let's new folder is a create. This is a folder is a view inside. This is a new folder. Create folder name is a PDF. PDF inside. This is a new file is a create blade.php. Successfully create. This is a file blade.php working fine. Let's first of all, this is a HTML is a start HTML, and this is a student PDF. Body inside. This is a S1. S1 is a same implementation. This is S1 is a title, same title. Next is a BR, same name, copy and paste. Otherwise S2. This is a dollar, the same name is a date. Good. Let's BR inside. This is a S2 ID is equal to save file. Let's copy this name, get record, and this first of all, this is ID and BR. Successfully all set. Let's step by step implementation. First is ID is a set. Second is a name. This is a name. Third is available email, phone number, address, date of birth, registration date, and last is update date. Successfully all date is a create. Let's step by step implementation, but this is a list file is open. This list file inside, this is a student list file is available. This same name, copy. This is the ID, name. Second is available name. Third is available. This is a name, email. This is a phone number. This is the address. The same name is a copy. This is a copy, and paste here only, simple paste, and this is a get record is a set. Good working. This is a copy, same name, copy and paste here. This is a get record, and last is updated date is a set is available inside this set, and this paste here. Paste here. Let's remove this. 2 time is a this is a remove, extra is a all remove, and this is a get record is a set. This title and date is available inside this title and date. This is a get record inside. This is available get record. This ID, name, email, phone number, address, this birth date created and updated. This is available inside this database name, ID, name, email, phone number, address, date of birth created and updated. Successfully all available. Please step by step write down. All good. This step by step, this is the first of all, this is the implementation, this button. Next, this is the URL. After this is the implementation, this function. Inside this is a go, and this step by step write down this file. Let's refresh this page, and this is a 1 record is a download. Let's click this 1. This is a 2 is, let's click this 1, and successfully download. The student file is a download. Let's open. This is a working file, this student PDF. This is a today is a date is available 1/7. This is ID is available 1. This Zohan, this is available one Zohan at the gmail.com. This is a mobile number and this is the address. This is all available. This is a date. Let's next is this is a download. Let's click this Vivek, and this is a PDF. Second is a download. Let's open this is a PDF. This is phone number ID is available. This phone number Vivek Gopal. This is our available Vivek Gopal phone number, and this is the date. All successfully dynamic download single ID. This is a 2 PDF is a download, and this is a my official website error solution. This is a error solution is a my official website. Any doubt, so please contact this my website. And this is a YouTube channel is just selling only $199, and this is a YouTube channel fully selling. Please contact this number. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.